Hey, guess what? The KOZL Man Show is this weekend, and our friends at Papa's Pizzeria will be there. We'd like to welcome our friend Caitlin Oxenrider, of course, with Papa's Pizza, the regional marketing director. We're so happy to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Welcome.
Yes.
What's going on at Papa's Pizza?
Oh, we're just living the dream, eating some pizza.
That is the dream, right?
Yeah.
It is the dream.
I think it's a lot of people's dream.
You guys have been on before. You make really, really good pizza.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. So what's your main pizza? What is the hottest item?
Probably the kitchen sink. It has 12 different ingredients on it, so lots of veggies, lots of meats.
Everything.
All the good
everything.
stuff. Everything in the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
So you're going to be at the Man Show. What can people expect at the Man Show this weekend?
We will be at the Man Show. We are selling pizza by the slice when we're doing pepperoni and cheese.
Okay.
Classics.
That sounds good. That's right. Now, do you guys make your own crust?
We do.
Okay, and do you do different thin?
We have hand-tossed, thin, and we do have cauliflower and gluten-free.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, I have a stupid question.
Yeah.
Hand-tossed, what does that mean?
Well, we hand-toss it.
But does that mean it's thicker?
Thicker,
like what you would consider a thick crust?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's not considered like deep dish, though.
No, we do not do
Okay,
deep dish.
see, I get them all confused.
There's all kinds of varieties of pizza.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Oh, so Caitlin, I need to ask Caitlin then, because, hello, you work at a pizzeria. What is your favorite kind of pizza?
Oh, at Papa's? Cheeseburger.
Did you bring that one time?
I think so.
I think she did.
Yeah, I think she did because it's so unique.
Yes, it's so good.
What is on a cheeseburger? Or pizza
we do a
burger?
ketchup and mustard base, and then it has beef and bacon and cheese and pickles. Pickles are my favorite food.
Interesting. A pizza that tastes like a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
I love it.
I would not. I like a taco pizza. Do you have any kind of taco pizzas?
We have a Mexicana pizza.
Oh, that sounds good.
Fantastic. That does. Now, how many years have you been to the Man Show?
Oh, gosh, this is our first year.
Oh, this is your first year?
I've been personally, but Papa's has never been.
Okay, so this is going to be great. Just because it's called the Man Show, just so you know, ladies can come too.
Ladies are very welcome.
Actually, we're very, very welcome. Yes. Yeah, lots of stuff to see there.
So you have to go check them out, Papa's Pizza at the Man Show. But we thought it'd be fun, too, since, Caitlin, we love you, and we love pizza, and we love Papa's, it'd be fun to play a game.
Okay.
Do you like to play games?
Sure.
Let's bring in Burton Kelso, our tech expert, and Mr. Gage, you bring...
okay.
The Pot-O Pantomimes.
There we go.
Oh, boy.
Okay, do you want to team up?
Great honor.
Thank you,
I know.
I'm going to set this down on the table. Okay, do you want to do teams or just do it all together?
I don't care. What do you want to do?
It's up to you,
We'll do teams.
Together. We'll do together. Okay, here's how it's going to work. The person acting it out will stand right there. You'll pick from the jar, and then the other people stand over here. So you guys go over here.
Okay, come on over here. Okay.
I'll start just because we've done it before, and Burton, stand over there.
Okay.
And you three will guess what I'm going to act out, and then we'll switch places. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
And by the way, don't look in here because some of them aren't crinkled up very good.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Polar bear.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, here we go.
Let me make sure this is on. Okay, ready? Set, go.
Oh, the dance, the Irish dance.
jig.
What's it called?
You're a leprechaun.
Irish dancer.
You're doing river dance.
Yes.
River dance.
People that sell
Oh, you're a leprechaun at the pot of the rainbow. You're drunk leprechaun.
Irish dance.
The first word, what did you say?
Irish.
Dancer.
Irish dancers. Irish.
Leprechaun. Irish.
Irish.
You're pot of gold.
The country.
Oh, you're Ireland.
Ireland. Oh my goodness.
Where are you dancing?
To get Irish. And then, like, the first word you said was Irish. So then they make it the country. Oh, I'm terrible at this game.
Okay, so now. All right, so now I get
Okay,
the.
Burton, here, wait, I'll stand in the
All
back.
right,
Yeah,
I
there you
didn't
go.
look in the pot.
I didn't get your.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is going to be hard.
Okay.
So,
Ready, Burton? Set,
yeah.
Big explosion.
Exciting.
Happy.
Cheerleader.
Exciting. A bear.
Sumo wrestler.
No.
See, it's not easy, is it?
Volcano.
Are you dancing?
No, I'm.
Can we go another way?
Jack in the Box.
No.
Are you excited? Cheerleader.
You're at a game. You're watching a sports event. You're
Laughing. Crowd. Cheering.
I'm done.
What is
It's
it?
supposed to be a pizza party.
Oh.
So how do I do pizza?
You
That's why I
didn't
did
even eat
this.
pizza.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Anything.
See, I've nothing to your mouth. Let me just say this.
Why did I think about that? I was thinking about being the pizza, not eating the pizza.
Why would you be the pizza?
Because you were Ireland, that's why.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
You're Ireland. So I'm like, I gotta
You're
be the
Ireland,
pizza.
I'm a pizza.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, gosh.
I'm an Irish pizza.
I know.
You have to act this
Yes,
out. This
okay.
is, oh my
See,
gosh.
now you know
Okay.
how I feel. Okay.
All right, just remember how we're going
All
with
right,
this so
here
far.
we go.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Okay, piggybacking off him.
Okay.
Eating.
Party.
Restaurant. Food.
You're dipping.
French fries. Dip.
Mozzarella sticks.
No.
Round. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizzeria. Pizza.
Papa's Pizza.
Pizza bites.
Pizza hole.
Oh, breadsticks. Pizza bites. Pizza sticks. The round.
Pepperoni.
Yeah, we got it at the same time.
I know.
Oh my gosh. We got it.
You did good.
I will never forget. If you're Ireland, I'm a pizza.
How do you act out pepperoni?
Well, how do you act out pizza? I'm like, yeah.
I'm the pizza.
I'm a pizza. Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is okay.
Okay.
All
Are
right,
you
guys.
Ready?
are you lasagna?
Set.
Maybe. Okay,
Go.
here we go. Okay, pay attention.
All right.
Heart.
Heart.
Fingers.
Four-leaf clover. Shamrock.
Did it?
If you're a pizza and I'm Ireland, you're a shamrock
Oh,
and you're
no,
pepperoni.
she did better than we did. Uh-oh. Are you
A
gonna
little bit. There we go.
be? Okay. All right.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
This has a theme.
Set.
Yes.
Mexico. You're Mexico now.
Shamrock.
You're.
Jim.
St. Patrick's Day. Green.
Four-leaf clover.
Yeah, I'll give it to that. You said clover, so I'll give it to you.
All right.
All right. Another word for shamrock.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my
see
goodness,
here.
this is getting intense.
It is intense. Oh my gosh. All right. So.
You ready? Set. Go Ireland. So go.
Irish jig. Leprechaun.
Irish
Dancer.
dancers.
Leprechaun.
What'd you say?
Leprechaun.
Leprechaun. Good. Yeah.
He was a pizza to a leprechaun.
So we keep going?
Yes, keep
Yes.
going.
Thank goodness
Caitlin,
for
you're doing-
Caitlin,
yeah.
because I would have not gotten that.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, Caitlin, set, go. Papos.
Yay!
Oh my God. Sounds like Papa.
I know.
I'm glad she got that one. Good job, Caitlin.
Yeah, how are you going to do that one? Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a good one. Good thing you
you.
had a little
That was good. Okay.
bit. Yes.
Huh. Okay.
Have to think about it.
Come on,
Well,
Kelly.
I mean, I'm just.
Okay. Ready,
It's random. Okay.
set,
All right.
go. Pizza. Burton. Tech. Clean. Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, wow, that was awesome.
Yes.
I guess you can tell we worked together a long time.
I see that. I'm like, what are you doing?
I was like, you love
You
cheese.
fertilizing?
Oh, okay. Okay, ready,
All right.
set, go.
2 words.
Green.
You.
Jeremy,
And Kelly.
2.
TV host, Burley,
Partners.
Muscle Man, Kevin Sorbo,
Muscle.
2 words,
Men.
Muscle Beat.
Man show.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! That's great. Good job. I didn't know what else
Oh,
to do.
no.
Awesome.
Is there any more? Oh, there's like one more left.
Okay.
I
Okay. It's
gotta
all
hurry
you,
up.
Burton.
Oh, no.
You
okay.
are not a pizza.
All right.
Okay.
No, I'm not a pizza.
Set,
So
go.
One word.
One word. Beer.
Beer.
you named it.
Oh!
Is that it? That's it.
Is that it?
Okay,
Look in
that
there,
was
Caitlin. Is there any more?
Nope, there's no more.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my gosh!
Well, at least my second attempt was better than the
Yeah,
pizza.
that one was good.
You know,
That one was
yeah.
And here's the thing: the more you play it, the more you kind of think about
Yes.
it. There's a lot of words sometimes that can go a couple of different ways,
Mm-hmm.
and so yeah.
And it also helped that we kind of caught onto a theme after a while.
The Irish
Yes.
theme and the man show theme.
Yes.
And, yeah, that was fun too.
In Ireland.
And
Now,
Ireland.
Jeremy is Ireland.
I'm Ireland. Don't
Yes.
forget, you got to check out Papa's Pizza at the KOZL Man Show this weekend. It's at the Expo Center. Yes.
Yes,
I had to
yes,
second guess
yes.
myself.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. You got to check them out. They
Yeah.
have such great pizza.
Lots
you.
of great things. Now, do you guys have other things? Salads?
Oh
and
yeah.
great
Oh
things?
yeah.
Okay.
Lots of salads. We have really good wings.
Okay, and you're gonna have to go by and get
Yeah,
a slice
come see me.
this.
Yep.
You guys,
Thanks,
this was
Caitlin.
so much
Slice of
fun.
wings.
You're welcome.
Did you say a slice
Slice
of
of
wings?
wings.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
Okay, thank you to Burton, Kelso, the Discovery Center, Cammie Jenkins, Papa's Pizza, Kristen, and all of you guys for watching. Oh my goodness, what I will this is my new saying. If you're a pizza, I'm
Ireland.
Hey, thanks guys for tuning in.
To Ozarks Fox AM, have a great Wednesday.
See you tomorrow morning.